Hey folks, welcome to Izmir, Turkey. I'm currently standing in front of statue of Mother Mary. The story goes, this is her last few years spent here in Izmir. So we're at the first part of chapel. We're gonna go up the mountain. You're gonna see here about a 5 to maybe 8 minute drive, and on top of the mountain you're gonna see the actual chapel and an actual house where she spent her last few years here in Izmir, Turkey. As you can see here, they have it in just about majority of the popular languages. So that's the chapel right here. So no photos, pictures, anything like that allowed in there. So I'm doing it from here. So you go from this door and then you come out on the other one. And this is what it looks like inside. This is an actual picture of it. So this, guys, is what they call holy water, clean water. It's drinkable. You see a lot of people come here, load this up and take it with them. Then you also see people where they made prayers and stuck them through the walls. You see it all through there. And this is the wall of prayer right here.